Time for a breakfast battle! Let's make apple risotto! You'll need arborio rice. Don't try using regular rice, it's not gonna work. Grab your favorite apple and peel it. We're gonna dice it up. Use whatever you like. My favorite is Fuji, but any apple works. Place your cubed apple into a bowl and add lemon juice. Toss it to combine and set it aside. In a big measuring cup goes chicken broth, apple juice, and apple brandy. You can leave out the brandy, or you can also use white wine, or leave out the alcohol altogether. In your favorite medium pot goes 3 slices of thick cut bacon. Cook them until they're crispy. Then set them aside to drain. Now, using tongs and napkins, clean the bottom of your pan so there's nothing left. I would normally cook everything in this bacon fat, but it's going to make the risotto cloudy if we do that, and we don't want that. Alright, add your butter and melt it. Then add your rice and onions. Stir and cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat until the rice and the onions are translucent. As you can see, I overcooked mine, but it'll still be good. Alright, add half of your liquid all at once. Bring to a boil. Then turn down the heat to low, cover, and cook for about 10 minutes. Easy! Now you can slowly add a little liquid at a time. Don't add more until it's soaked in. Do this in about 3 rounds. Don't leave the stove. Risotto's easy, but not that easy. Keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the bottom. When it's done, it should look like this. Super creamy! Let's finish it up. Parm is traditional with risotto, but for this, I'm going to use white cheddar. This risotto is good, but I'm going to make it more yellow with turmeric. See? Like a big bowl of sunshine. Turn off the heat and add your apples. Now season it to taste with salt. I'm using white pepper instead of black, so it won't add black specks to that lovely rice. Use whatever you have though. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar too. That's optional. To serve, pile it up in your favorite bowl. Garnish it with your reserved bacon and a few sprigs of thyme. Nice. Eat it while it's hot. Apple risotto is yummy! Thank you, patrons. I love you. Hope you enjoyed that Food Wars recipe. If you want another one, check out my Chaliapin Steak Don, which is also very tasty. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe too. You can even recommend a recipe you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye!